Video viewers, welcome back to my another English speaking video. Today in this video I'm gonna share with you why you can't improve yourself, why you can't make English video in front of the camera. That's why today I will share this matter. Number 1, you don't have a regular study habit. Number 2, you don't practice enough, review enough, speak enough. Number 3, you get bored, disappointed, and you feel so shy. That's why you can't improve yourself. Side by side, today I will suggest you and I will request you, if you want to learn English quickly, first of all you have to practice English regularly. It is so important for our every English learners. Side by side, you know that English is not hard language for us. If you practice English regularly, English will be easy language for us. Side by side, you have to maintain your consistency. You have to maintain your consistency. Then you can become good speaker very easily. I have seen many students, they practice English just 2 months and they practice English just 3 months. After 3 months they give up their practice. For that they can't improve their speaking skills. If you are crazy English learner, every day you try to practice English in front of the camera. It is main and best tips for every English learners. You know that I'm from countryside. That's why every day I try to go outside for make English video. I try to speak in English in front of my camera. You will remember, there is no easy way to learn English quickly without more practice. If you practice English regularly, if you give time 6 months, I hope that after 6 months you will improve your speaking skills very easily. You will be good speaker after 6 months. That's why from today you can start your English journey. You can make English video every single day. I hope that success will come definitely if you practice English regularly. So you will remember, if you don't practice English regularly, if you don't maintain your consistency, if you don't make English video every single day, you won't be able to improve yourself. So you practice English every single day. Like me, you can describe anything in English. Like me, you can record yourself every single day. I hope that you can become good speaker after 6 months. So the video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Keep practicing, keep making English video. See you next time.